Deepika Padukone is a popular Indian film actress who gained popularity with films like Om Shanti Om 2007 and Bajirao Mastani 2015. Before moving on to the video, subscribe Informative World and don't forget to ring the bell icon for latest updates from our channel. Biography. Deepika was born on 5 January 1986 in Denmark and brought up in Bengaluru, Karnataka, India. She took a lot of interest in playing badminton since childhood and wanted to become a badminton player just like her father. She played badminton in many national level championships during her school days. She also worked as a child model and appeared in several advertising campaigns when she was only 8. She later changed her mind and instead of becoming a badminton player, she decided to become a fashion model. Physical appearance. Height approx 5'8", weight 55 kg. Hair color brown, eye color black. Family. She belongs to a middle-class Brahmin family. Her father Prakash Padukone is former badminton player and also the first Indian badminton player who won the All England Championship. Her mother Ujala Padukone is a travel agent. She has a sister Anisha Padukone who is a golfer. Career. She did her schooling from Sophia High School, Bengaluru and later attended Mount Carmel College, Bengaluru for her pre-university education. She then enrolled in Indira Gandhi National Open University, New Delhi for a Bachelor of Arts BA degree in Sociology but quite soon due to scheduling conflicts with her modeling career. In 2004, she started working as a model under the guidance of fashion guru Prasad Bidapa. In 2005, she walked the ramp for designer Suneet Verma at the Lakme Fashion Week. She made her first appearance on the ramp when she was 17 years old. She gained recognition after featuring in commercial for Little Soap. In 2006, she appeared in a popular print campaign for Kingfisher calendar that made her gain a lot of fame. She later shifted to Mumbai and stayed at her aunt's home. She appeared in the music video Naam Hai Tera sung by Himesh Reshammiya. After that, she received many offers for film roles as she had no experience in acting. She started learning acting at Anupam Kher Acting Institute Actor Prepares. In 2006, she made her acting debut with the Kannada film Aishwarya, in which she played the lead role. Deepika was supposed to make her Bollywood debut with Sanjay Leela Bhansali's film Savarya. However, due to some unknown reasons, the role went to Sonam Kapoor, who marked her debut the film. In 2006, she got a chance to play the lead role in Farah Khan's super-hit Bollywood film Om Shanti Om. Farah signed Deepika for Happy New Year, however the film was cancelled and later released in 2014. In 2017, she made her debut in Hollywood film The XX Return of the Alexander Cage. Favorite things. Food. Pasta, dal chawal, biryani, South Indian food, dim sum, spaghetti, pasta and chocolates. Actors. Aamir Khan, Amitabh Bachchan, Shah Rukh Khan, Brad Pitt and Richard Gere. Actresses. Hema Malini, Siri Devi, Madhuri Dixit and Kajol. Films. Dilwale Dulhania Le Jayenge, The Color of Paradise, Cinderella Man. Singers. A.R. Rahman, Rihanna, Jennifer Lopez, Justin Bieber. Colors. White Mauve. Fashion designers. Anju Modi, Tarun Tahiliani, Manish Malhotra, Rohit Bharat. Fashion brand Zara. Destinations France, Maldives. sports, badminton, football, polo. Restaurants: Mumbai, Olive, Ram and Shyam; Bengaluru, Sunny's, London, Ping Pong, Scalini, Toronto, Soho House; South Africa, Mabulu. Awards: Filmfare Award for Best Female Debut for Om Shanti Om in 2008. International Indian Film Academy IFA Award for Best Female Debut for Om Shanti Om in 2008. Filmfare Award for Best Actress Award for Goliyon Ki Ras Leela Ram Leela in 2014. IFA Award for Best Actress Award for Chennai Express in 2014. Filmfare Award for Best Actress Award for Piku in 2016. IFA Award for Best Actress Award for Piku in 2016. Salary and net worth: Deepika charges approximately 14 crore per film. In 2018, her income was estimated to be 112 crore and her net worth is 20 million. Facts about Deepika: Before she entered the field of modeling, she was a national level badminton player and also a state level baseball player. In 2005, she won the Model of the Year award at the Kingfisher Fashion Awards. She is a non-vegetarian. Her hobbies include dancing, reading, playing badminton and cooking. Deepika likes eating South Indian snacks, wearing Indian clothes like saris, churidars, putting on mascara and gym wear. She dislikes wearing designer clothes and negativity. Salman Khan was the first person who supported the potential in Deepika Padukone and offered her a film. But at that time, she wasn't prepared for it, as she had just started her modeling career by then. She learned dancing from Shyamak Davar's dance school. She learned a Japanese martial art for the Bollywood film Chandni Chowk to China in 2009 and performed her stunts herself. She is the first Bollywood actress who delivered 4 consecutive hit films. She calls choreographer Farah Khan her second mother. She has endorsed several brands' products like L'Oreal Paris, Tissot, Nescafe, Sony Cybershot, Myntra, Maybelline, Coca-Cola, Vogue, Eyewear, etc. She worked as freelance writer for HT City in 2009. If reports are to be believed, she was offered a role in the Hollywood film Furious 7. Deepika rejected the offer due to some prior engagements. She is associated with an initiative of her father, Olympic Gold Quest, a non-profit company that helps Indian athletes to win Olympic gold medals. In 2010, she adopted the Abegan village of Maharashtra as a part of the Greenathan campaign to tackle the problem of electricity. She was named India's Most Beautiful Woman by the Indian edition, People magazine in 2012. In 2013, she launched her clothing brand All About You. In 2015, she formed a foundation, the Live, Love, Laugh Foundation, to create awareness of mental health in India. She is the brand ambassador of the NGO Indian Psychiatric Society (IPS). In 2016, If you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel.